Let's have a look at question 13 in this video. We're going to go through part A and B here, and then we'll leave C and D for the next video. So in part A, if quantity demanded is equal to 300 units, then what would be the total revenue? Well, let's see. First of all, we need to know the price at which we're going to sell. Well, to find out the price, we can just do some math here. Quantity demanded would equal to 300, and we know that this is the quantity demanded. So that would be 1800 minus 15 times the price. Well, let's play a bit around with the numbers, and let's take all the numbers on one side. So we will have 1800 minus 300, because we're taking this one over there, and then we're taking minus 15 times price over this side. So we would have 15 times price over here. So 15 times price would be equal to 1500, meaning that price would equals to 100. Price would equals to 100. Now we know that we're selling 300 units, so we already can calculate total revenues. Let's do it a bit lower. Here, total revenues would equals to price times the quantity, and that's equal to 100 times the quantity would be equal to 300, and that's equal to 30,000. Let's say 30,000 euros to be more realistic. Okay, we got that. Now, what would be the elasticity at this price? The elasticity of demand when the price is equal to 100. How can we do that? Let's zoom out so we can keep the big picture. Let's solve over here. So we want to know the elasticity of demand now. Well, the elasticity of demand is equal to the price divided by quantity demanded times the derivative of quantity demanded with respect to price. So we know the price, that's 100. So that's 100. We know the quantity demanded. The quantity demanded would be equal to 300. So 100 divided by 300. And then what would be the derivative? Well, the derivative is over here because we have the function of quantity in terms of price. And that's equal to minus 15. So minus 15. Now if we do some math, what do we get? Elasticity of demand is equal to 100 over 300. That's just 1 over 3 times minus 15. 15 and 3 cancel out. 15 and 3 cancel out. So 15 and 3 we have a 5 with a negative sign times 1 is just minus 5. And let's see, what does that mean? That means that if price increases by 1%, quantity demanded decreases by 5%. So the change in quantity demanded is higher than the change in price. That speaks that the consumers react a lot. Consumers react a lot to changes in prices. Consumers react a lot to the change in price. That means we're having an elastic demand, so we should take care how much we're charging them. We're done for now. In the next video we'll finish the question.